To set up Face ID on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro Max, go to your setting and scroll down. You can see the Face ID and passcode. You have to enter your current passcode. Then you can see the setup Face ID. Just press on Face ID, then press on next. Then it will take Face ID. And once done, then you can see the another feature: use Face ID with mask. Use Face ID with a mask. So don't use. Press on done. Now let's check. It's working now. No need passcode. And if you press and hold, the, then it's not working. You have to enter a passcode. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.